Hi everyone, and today we're going to do protein prediction. So here I have two different DNA sequencings. So there's one mutations between them, and I also have here protein HOXA4 that I'm interested to see whether the binding of this protein will be different between these two DNA sequences. So here Drylab is loading in the sequence that I have provided and is now retrieving the HOXA4 DNA binding motif from a database. Okay, let's see what we have here. So it is saying that the substitutions lies outside the preferred HOXA4 binding windows, so it will not change the usual motif of bindings, and because of that there won't be much difference in binding affinity to this protein. It's also doing like a affinity profile across the whole DNA sequence provided. There's also a score as well for each of the sequence. Right now we see that both are giving the same score, but let's see if I can see the structure of the DNA sequence to this protein. Okay, so it's saying here that this is a feature that we are working on. So we'll try to access the database for this feature, but if not, the user will need to drop in the file, the PDB file. So usually if they need to visualize, they'll use PyMol, but actually they can use Drylab as an alternative because it's very intuitive for the user. You can interact with the structures here, you can turn it around, zoom in, zoom out, and see the interaction. So here is a toy DNA sequence to see because we don't have the PDB file for the other two DNA sequence yet, but this is absolutely possible if you have the PDB file and just drop in. In the meantime, we're working on having access to that direct database. Alright, and I think that's it for this use case. Thank you.